This is my 2007 Ford Ranger. I got it just 4 months ago, back in October of 2021, with just 137,000 miles. It's equipped with a 4-liter V6 single overhead cam engine paired to a 5-speed manual transmission, and it's got 4-wheel drive. A few weeks ago, I shared how much I paid for this beautiful truck. If you want to find out how much I paid for my 07 Ranger, definitely check out the video link down below. You'll be shocked on how much I paid for it. Now for this video, I've done this exact topic on previous models that I've owned in the past, such as my Mustang GT and my Scion FRS, and I thought I would share how much I pay in insurance for this vehicle. So today's date is February 14th, 2022. And at the time, I am 23 years old. I live in Michigan, and I have a PLPD insurance plan. I'm enrolled through Progressive, and what I pay per month is $116. That comes out to $696 every 6 months. I am accident free. I'm 23 years old, male, living in Michigan, and that is the rate that I am paying through Progressive. If you like seeing a good old Ford frickin' Ranger in action, subscribe to the channel for more videos on the truck, and also check out the channel and see what other cars we have on it. We have a Mustang GT, a Scion FRS, a Chrysler 300 SRT8, and also a Hyundai Genesis Coupe. All those cars are on the channel with lots of content. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.